Yeah.
You got it. Morning, Emily. You're dragging your bike.
How's the bike?
Titi!
Good girl. Yeah. I bought one thing. Mom.
Yes, Habibi. What would you like to open? Oh, you got
Guitar
this.
Hero.
How many different ways can I ruin this Guitar Hero? So many ways.
Frankly, worth everything.
Daddy, can Emily open it? Please? Okay. We having some snacks. Watching some Wiggles. Cuddling. Best morning. Best cuddles. Best cuddles. Oh, Emily, are you gonna get dead? Dad got you. Hi, Nina. You enjoying being on the trampoline? للأسف انتي بقيتي مصيبة وبتفتحي the zip. Right? Get set, go! انتي كملي انتي كملي انتي كملي انتي كملي انتي كملي انتي كملي انتي كملي. I'll get you! I got Emily! Got Emily!
Do you want mommy to go another round? On your marks! On your marks!
Good morning, lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. So right now we're actually on our way for some lunch. We're meeting up friends for lunch, which is exciting. It's so sad because they are leaving. They're going to another part of the country, which is like completely in lockdown, so we won't be able to see them in a while. But it's gonna be like a social day. We went for a walk, you would have seen that, and we played outside on the trampoline, and now we're dressed and we're going to lunch. And we've got Emily here, and we've got Lena, our usual, and Daddy, our normal, usual team members, you can say. So now we're back home. Oh my gosh, that meal was so good. So I ended up getting the chicken burger, and it just came with some fries, and Emily got their nachos, and like the kids nachos, seriously, it's like an adult meal, and it was so cheap. It was like $11. And Michael got the chicken parmigiana. It was really good. We kind of like did shazies like amongst us three, and Elena kind of like nibbled from us. But anyway, so now we just cleaned up the house. We have some friends over to play some cards while the kids are napping. So it's just a bit of a like a social day. Sorry that I haven't shown any of it yet, but that's what we're going to be doing for the next maybe a couple of hours.
The majority we do pretty well.
Krispy Kreme. We like pretty much having Krispy Kreme for breakfast.
Yeah.
So these bite-sized ones are really like, I don't know, I think the size is nice.
It's very descriptive.
So today is Sunday, so it is the next day. We decided to do a family day just because we haven't had a family day in ages. Are you looking? Emily has the donut as well. She has one piece and a fluffy. Getting amongst. Michael just filling up the tire, and we filled up petrol, and we got some coffees from the BP. And I'm trying something for the first time, and I'm having a flat white with coconut milk, and it's kind of nice. Like I'm digging it. I'm totally digging it. And I was gonna get almond milk. They don't have almond milk though. Coconut, I was like, YOLO. let's try it. So we're on the way to Fairlie Bakehouse. Gonna have breakfast, official breakfast. Like the krispy kreme was just like for fun because it's new in the BP. If you're in New Zealand, you know that. So we thought we'd try it, and yeah. Also, I am sorry for like not vlogging yesterday, like the full day. It was such a busy day. It was like a full-on social day. We had people over, we went to have a lunch, and we played like card games like all day until like 6:30. And the kids went to bed at like 8 o'clock. Like, well, later. They're usually in bed between 7 and 7:30. We had such a fun day, and then afterwards took Emily out just a trampoline to get some energy out. And I had some one-on-one time with her. It was fantastic. Gave her a bath. She went to bed, and she slipped into like 7:45. What is happening, Emily? Thought you were meant to be going on the slide. Emily, can you please use the steps, sweetie? Emily, and go, go, go! Woo! Has Lena been biting Daddy? She's been biting lately.
You just take a video of me biting my daughter.
Wow, why did you go congregating on that one?
Hello.
Tita. And this is why I struggle to film. Why it's not focused on your face. You're ugly. Oh gosh, so there goes my tripod. My makeshift tripod. He's flirting with me. Toes. We've got a yellow bowl and a green bowl. Are you gonna juggle with me? No. Juggle. 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 Okay. Elena, you're gonna juggle with me. I'll teach you how to juggle. Okay, Emily. You're gonna juggle with mommy. Okay, oh wow, 4 bowls is pretty advanced. Mommy can't do 4. Can't even do 3. She can only do 2. Loves climbing the slide.
Oh, her onesie's on, so she can't get up.
Do you want her to get up?
Go.
Are you filming it, Obi?
I feel like it's less dangerous without her onesie on.
And expose those feet. There we go. Feet exposed. With yucky. That's yucky. That's yucky. Am I talking to myself? Dad's waiting for us. Let's go, Habibi. Yay, Daddy. Let's go find Daddy. Daddy. Let's go find Daddy. Yay. That's Teta. That's not Dad. Dad's over there. That's Teta. Emily, do you like your new sun hat? Is this Mommy's? She got it when she was in Mexico, and now it's yours. You love it so much. We have Nina, woke up from her nap, and she's got a little sun hat, which used to be Emily's. Now it's Lena's. We have the whole family out here. Sunday afternoon. It's actually really hot. I'm so overdressed. We have, you can't see through the net on the trampoline. We have Dad and Giddo working on the trough. We have Teta doing the lawn. and it's just a really nice family afternoon. Isn't it, Tootie?
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, I got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could